5 ways to reduce stress while Forex trading. We all know that Forex trading can be really stressful when you're risking too much per trade and watching every tick on the charts. So let's get into these 5 tips. So going over the overview of all the points, the first one is having a morning routine, risking a small amount on each of the trades, talking to other traders and having a community around you. Do not be dependent on the money that you have from trading if you do not have a large amount of capital and that you are willing to trade full time. The second point is understanding that if you are consistently profitable at the moment, you're in the top 1, 2 or 5% of people that actually make money. Keeping this in mind, it puts a perspective on the fact that you are profitable at the moment and a lot of people are not. So you're in a great position. The third point is to do things that you love outside of trading. If you trade a longer term time frame or prefer to trade on a certain day, trading can give you time to do things that you want to do outside. I suggest doing something that can relieve some stress, so if you're into sports, then go and do some sports. And the reason for this is because it gets you away from the charts, it gets you out of the office or wherever you do your trading and gives you time to do something that will make you happy. Because at the end of the day, the reason that you get into trading for the majority of people is to have free time to do the things that you want to do. The fourth point is to understand that trading is a long-term game. It's better to risk a little and stay in the game for longer than risk a lot and become stressed. Most of the time, if you risk too much, you'll make stupid mistakes anyway. If you do not have enough money when you're risking a small amount on trades to be able to live the life that you want, then I suggest you either get a job on the side of trading and trade a higher time frame chart, or get more capital. You can get capital from investors, you can get capital from friends. Obviously you're going to have to think about laws and trading other people's money. I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't know anything about that, but I'm sure that you can have a look into that. And the final point is to have someone to bounce ideas off. It's really helpful to have a few traders, a few good traders around you that can give feedback on your trades. It also helps when you've known them for a long time and they know your trading strategy. If you start to deviate from that strategy, they can easily just pull you back and say, look, you're not trading the way that you were. You need to do this, this, this. A great way to find traders is on either LinkedIn or like this Forex YouTube channels. Telegram, if you can actually get into a Telegram chat and speak to traders. I'm sure there's going to be traders in there that you're going to connect with, that you're going to have a similar strategy to, and you can keep each other on the same track. So that's 5 ways to reduce stress whilst Forex trading. If you like this, then comment if there's any more points that you think could be helpful for Forex traders out there. It's always good to hear different viewpoints when coming from a Forex trading background. And also remember to subscribe for more videos every single week. We also have a Discord community, so if you're using Discord you can get on there and become one of the Forex traders in our community. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next week.